Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default SMS app on Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Choose Default Apps and wait for the results to appear. This will display the relevant options for adjusting your default app settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find Choose Default Apps and tap on it. Then, tap on the option again to access the settings. Step 5. Now, locate the default SMS app option and tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, choose the messaging app you want to set as your default SMS app. Your new selection will be applied instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.